Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Caesar salad wrap. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need crisp romaine lettuce, pre-cooked chicken, and your favorite Caesar dressing. Don't forget large flour tortillas, roughly 10 inches across, which are perfect for wrapping. A sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and some crunchy croutons will complete your delicious wrap. This simple combination ensures a satisfying and flavorful meal. Now, let's prepare our main components. Take about 8 ounces of cooked chicken breast and either shred it or dice it into small, manageable pieces. In a separate bowl, gently toss your fresh romaine lettuce with 2 to 3 tablespoons of Caesar dressing until it's lightly coated. Make sure your chicken is cool before combining it with the other ingredients to maintain freshness and texture. It's time to assemble your wrap. Lay a large flour tortilla flat on a clean surface. Spoon a generous portion of your dressed romaine lettuce and prepared chicken into the center, leaving space around the edges. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and a few crushed croutons over the filling. Carefully fold the sides of the tortilla inward, then roll it tightly from the bottom up to create a secure wrap. Your delicious Caesar salad wrap is ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the lettuce is crisp and the tortilla is fresh. Feel free to customize your wrap by adding extra ingredients like sliced avocado for creaminess or crispy bacon bits for a smoky crunch. You can also prepare all your ingredients in advance and assemble the wraps just before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.